Our out-of-this-world lead is way out of this world, 390 light years away. In fact, for context, 1 light year is equivalent to 6 trillion miles. 1 light year. This new image from NASA's James Webb Space Telescope shows about 50 young stars, many of them similar in mass to our sun. They are in the Rho Ophiuchi cloud complex. That's a part of our universe where new stars are frequently born, ones that could be home to brand new solar systems. Joining us now to discuss is NASA's Dr. Amber Strachan. She's a deputy project scientist for the James Webb Space Telescope program. Dr. Strachan, this is all just blowing my mind. Tell us more about what we're exactly seeing here. There's a lot of detail and some unusual colors.
Sure, yeah. I mean, this beautiful new image is really just the latest example of how the Webb telescope is delivering on its promise to reveal the universe in whole new ways. And so what we're seeing here is essentially a stellar nursery, a place where baby stars are being born. Those beautiful red jets that you see there in the image are the telltale signs of these baby stars bursting forth from their cosmic cocoons. And the dust that you see here is really reminiscent of how our own sun was born billions of years ago. And all the dust, similar to what you see here, eventually, of course, formed the planets, including the Earth and us. And I think that's one of the most beautiful kind of concepts in astronomy, this idea that the iron in our blood and the calcium in our bones was forged inside of a star that exploded billions of years ago in a supernova. We're connected to the universe, and these beautiful images really show us that.
So the Webb Space Telescope is pretty significant for space exploration, even if we're not actually sending people to those places.
Absolutely, yeah. This telescope has completely revolutionized already our understanding of the universe in just this first short year. And of course, yeah, NASA does all these amazing things like sending people to space, sending rovers to Mars, and building these space telescopes is one of the crowning achievements of NASA, I think. And you know, we're here today, we're all celebrating this 1-year anniversary of science of these images, but we can't skip over the engineering that made this possible. Over 2 decades of work to build this telescope that is one of the largest engineering challenges that NASA has ever faced. This telescope was so big it had to unfold in space, and it's been really just a huge technical achievement to get this telescope out there, to get it working, and it's working better than we ever expected or predicted.
And Dr. Strachan, I mean, as you note, it's been an incredible year of findings, confirming multiple clouds on Saturn's largest moon, Titan. What are some of your favorite findings so far?
Well, it's hard to pick because there have just been so many. But just in this first year, we've been able to look back in time over 13.5 billion years to see some of the very first galaxies that were born after the Big Bang. As you noted, we've seen these really incredible clouds on Titan. We've been able to look in detail at the atmospheres of exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars outside of our solar system. And we're all along learning more about our universe in scales all the way from our sort of cosmic backyard to the solar system, all the way out to the most distant reaches of space.